done, you should see how happy.
Toddler just doesn't understand the concept of being still. Let's not walk in the duck poop. That white one is so pretty. Oh, hi, Mr. Duck. Oh, that's here. You want a piece of Oh, okay, I know. We gotta be really quiet or it scares them, okay? She is so excited. She's in there. Come here, Duck. Come here, Mr. Duck.
Two ducks in there.
Come here, Mr. Duck.
So this is the white ones are coming back.
Oh, come here, Mr. Duck. Okay. Don't be scared. We'll be really quiet. Okay? Don't be scared anymore. Here, you can have that. Oh. Let's step away from the duck poop, okay? See, look right here, Captain. That's duck poop. We don't want to stand on that. Hey, Mr. Duck.
Duck.
Duck, duck, duck. Here, honey. Oh, look.